Papa, said Johannes no spacious environment. Na me hwe muso no hyehyɛ so dodo no ano wudi su kama because ya call runs hwe be said ye binum di siti a na sɛ obomodin na sɛ medical adam ho di a kyerɛ no friend be boating me LPG safety inspector say Ghana ban any abrepa because of late any ehu Jashishia filling stations, you see in crime circle, and then see you see Nipa who prepare near them. The human say to me, say, Kwama Paso CC, especially LPG filling stations, no, to me, say, do one any any shares. Tiama buying any abrea, you call rounds, not the new man kui, no, you could be. They be to say more advice, someone any she. Ba hanu die ono abo mabo abaso se niam mabo hu no pa na me pese bi se wada roma we nku na filling station na se wo dodo no a
dodo na me na me hwe filling station we to oil bia organ bia no most special asantema mu no me na me da no
wo manage, you are not the CEO.
Me na manage.
You are a good manager. So manager of your type na ya pay na dey adwuma eden a hye wo mo nsa na so when focus akasa be say bibia mu no unya na 100%. Me ba me hu nyema kitinkiti bia no de me pese me no be dwene ho no ho kwampa o de be fa so. Ni nyina ne say filling station like this no ya na empese nipa di mu be ye kwan na wo kọ na wo ba na wo kọ because ba hu say oba ta bi kutakuta ne mansa na wo mo kọ ebi ni hwe kasa ekura ebi na etwa mu kọ ba ne ade no eno nko ane ade ba ko a mahuna ye be dwene ho no ho kwampa be fa so obesi ano ho kwan a nipa mfa ha enye kwan ana biusu no cars so nka ne kwan so pa de kaka bi be wura mu bia no na ko bebu fuel. There's no way say car be di ha be ye kwan so the exit point and entrance point so that's here ti sa ne ma mienu no ene ade ase mahunu a ohwe ni kakra ma mia kama ne beji pa
em said the okano my name is Saps no ya call management meeting and you put two measures in place making sure say Sami mana uhu ye nyina na ebesi ano kwan senior okano because say you dey science esisi na amanfo ehu say ha no enye kwan sabe so we car anya fu e na wo babu a ebi kwa say wo ka wura mu ha e kopie other end e makwan sa because say wo nam a etimi e throw down say post no bill no and I say bia ha no menu so ha no am this no ye the basis let's put it now now what educate amount because
no entry of pedestrians.
Yes, because education is here more
as far as the mechanics so woni ma waje no opepem na wa hye me bo se obetu ho anamo honorable wo se so wo hwe mu a me se ye call filling station be se nan bi wo ko hwe atequators ya apake sisi ho mo de wa car park ebi mu kura ba ku bi e ko hu ne ye ono de wo mati station anka so bus station bi lodu ko akra bi lodu ko e wo filling station said ye wo ya wo de kama yi wo futuo bi adba ma wo nuanom wo so ye adwuma we bia omo de ye do omo pay because bi ko ono ma bie ayi drinking spot ya tutu chinchin ka ne sa na emeni nyina
o me dan CP aye no kre e dem ka say ye the measures agu akwan mu a e be make sure say sa na ma nyina so ba ye no on say me very nice building offices be wo mu amafo aba say person me BG GB restaurant near the ade me say me makwan sa because I have a filling station and a filling station so ye restaurant that's why sabe asem obi kasa asemra na asem bi sia emwa it no say no mo nyina no na you may try say e be avoid it ni educate amanfo say filling station for yes I have a filling station and because a restaurant to burn near that day station near that day emwa crowd because anything deal with gas and I say fuel no yeah they are very dangerous and they are very sensitive why say here that's why put measure place I see no kwanya the be say pa asms you know waka
nyame ensha pa nti asam go so e be pay obesity ne ahwe se bosha wa hye so no minim so obedi so na so no ya ye ni pay die na esi tu anamo ne be hwe ne man kaka kaka
before no get tia se no wo chiri ne be no ha ye sinu no bi ase si an start say di ke tia manfo a chimi da se ba
na mi sha manager na mi sha pa
Emeye titi wo nyina ba mia na mde hama wo mo hwe container ye gugu hwe wo adraba fo yi mia kasa kala kuma se mia me dia etafe na ho bo na so sa me ba be si filling station
madam me ho asase na mpese mbisu aso ne bia asase ya o ba si filling station e wo so wo permit
nikita me permit a kira say mitimisi filling station is time bia me pebia
ya o kwa assembly ho ama engineer wo ho
pani pa no wo ho no and no permit yes
anye bia no wono bai e be hwa asase no ase na wo ma permit no ana se na siko
me ko ya me ka kira na o so oh ahima anya hwe wo da gipi pai ana ja wo woni me ga na ase me pe kakra bi ma no eti se pass wo ne me ba ha de da bi
nimba bi asase no da
nimba bi asase no
nim se de hositi e
dabi woni mama me hwe
asase no mehu na pese bisa o se papa si wo wie na tanka no ba bi fuel na se gas na ha na be fa na me se ne be ba na se na me se be
ba my own baby agata ne
that's right
my imagine say you wie ha ni nyina me mo ma fele gata no so se de tanka ne ba ebenya kwan ai de awuram ti nam ha ya baby atasefo ejeje ahaya ne nam ba be je na se ye load no
na me yesa me kasa so me jone so me ka ti se ziga na ba na ni abriba filling station no almost be especially LPG gas no it's gas no ade bia highly flammable ya che se wan hwe yi a akra gifi ni bansem no problem kitikiti ba ho a ni ba bebre it is a filling station ya de shaya to na wasasi we no we filling station wo so a enyiye sesase no ya sase a esutre so sabaya nipa nya kwan emetratra ho ni ade sabaya nipa mpamu nya kwan ene ade na bio so no wa na wo ye no so no ensese eben ba bi nipa etie ensese ben fie we so wutu abasemu a enuru aduonum eso fie a eben police station no kwan da mo ntem say 50 meters no you just say fie we see any fie we pastor ya wo dia
Dabi nyame dia
na filling station is no am free wo dia no ko dia ben wo say 400 meters the measure distance na we 100 meters kwa e tututu ko
ti ka che wo be so ka kire me say eti eye saasase we me di filling station na enyeyi
if you say the kwan no kura no we atakureta be yi filling station filling na say eye free and say eye traffic na go na e twen ni ade nti kwan we kure so e kwan atakureta be timi apaso aba be yi fuel e wa ha
inspector dia tie ne say mesrew wo wonim Ghana say Ghana emla ni city so wo enti mesrew wo de wanya yi bia ye Ghana ha dia sema make wo hu de me ba age wo de anya hwe ma me pa bibi kakra bi ma na wo de yi wani na wo de minsi me fitness station mesrew wate
mame mo na mo ma aban nipa anye wo mo dwuma no sikasem no a mo de enchai si nipa ma mo ye niema enye ji kakra free ba enya mo amementi sa so that we ya ukan ye kura no wetin am approach for achi
na so much me say
na so me de ho achi ni nyina ne say let's cut everything short pussy filling station ha enye yi me da wase sika no me hia baba
o ya catch jira mi aka say ewurade nyame na che assembly ho no wo ma je me kala kuma se wo ma je me sika di me ba wo engineer ho ma ba ba je me sika se ne sa hunti ma ba ba to asase na ma ba wa ba je permit wo se mitimi ebesi pato sha ni si asase no so na dia ka me ba office wo kura no ka fo yemra na ka fo ani ebe hwa asase no so se mi si pato sha na ebe yie ana se enye yie wa ntimi ya mehwe wa tena on ma je me sika dia di me ba ho engineer me ba assembly ho me ba je me sika me kala kuma me ba je me sika adai ana ibo Dabi, mede no ba court. Me make kala kuma se me de wo engineer. Me de wo court.
Abrepa say office plan go is wo for kan. Ase ne meeting with camera na. Me did you.
Ano kremi ni mapon ka me coffee. And I must come me abruptly like this. So what brings you here?
But for the sake of public education, I want us to gather it.
Now, when I want you in the first place, and what's going to do about
yes.
What is that? LPG, Safety Inspector.
Yes, please.
Okay. That's all, Safety Inspector.
Yes, please.
You are welcome. Yo, and I said also by seeing you the local dialect. At the end, I don't know.
So, Benicassi, engineer, the idea of an anti-Boko said, then you know, Nimna saying Ghana, we now gas, a name from a Janus animal, AD and Ghana. Life work cream is uncountable. The Ama Ghana by the near breakfast city. Otuni Pegumwa, yes, na the gas station, the police station in Sia. Let's say, if you are a year for the same man advice, now to tune your may, a man advice not to tune your may. The we be tia and ask some and term for the Shukuma, yeah, what will best use. A term of 4 be tia and as you say, Brebi, Peso Bay filling station. I will tell you, say, friend Kalakumasi.
Yes, I know it.
That's right. So, be a filling station. Na baby obe filling station ni die enye kura die se ni bitu an mo nya kwa kohwe asase jampa yidwi mu aso man saka ebra kala kumasi bisa so se no kure so wato asase bisa odi ba beye sa project je ne ko asase so
ya na me approve ho ma
very good yeah and when trama be tie ko asase no se ne ko hwe se de land be bi untimi nya filling station that bia amama ba ho nyana se bisa no no ono se owo permit.
Yeah, I gave her the permit. I personally gave her the permit. Say no ho adwuma na me yawa. I'm a very busy person. Eti na adwuma gu me so. So honestly, mentimi anko for many anko we.
One co grand ho. Anko civil land na hwe man technical advice as you say with me establish a filling station or not, but you sat in your office and issue the permit.
Oh, to be very honest, I just issued out the permit. Timia na me approve was it on Vancouver filling station.
Engineer what this street more is my technical advice. My me teaching me ye because you come. Na nipa ne ba wo ba so me to office my busy. Say there na how na de ba say asase ne kwa hin na da nyina wanko. From one filling station to the other. Space here down mo say 400 meters. So me na mo ye monko grounds. Na mama permit basa man ne filling station sisi basa ibi da bia nsuo mu na ateke mu nyina yesi dan ni nyina ya mo dwuma mu ni me ko na basa timi company say yo ya ni
Mr. Boati Danka, hold on. I think sir, I've come to realize my uncle grounds uncle it's a mistake on my part. But I will suggest to say what I'll make sure next time I make a Siema as a minister. Right. That's now before you go though, I mean people bottles you want to be the more handshake.
What true 70 and I'm here soon near Juma. Because we had the enya inspector bar, the man a bottle. We know what you
So are you rejecting my offer?
And I have finished this for a few old and air quad the bear when I say 400 meters. The measure distance now way 100 meters.
To catch up as all catch me say. It's a yes, I see with the filling station. And ye,
if you say, the crown crown way at the freighter, be filling station filling now. Sir, yes, free and a traffic. ne go na etwen ni ade nti kwan we kure so a e kwan atokure ta betimi afa so aba be fuel e wa ha
inspector de tie ne say mesrew wo wonum Ghana say de Ghana emla ni titi so won enti mesrew wo de wanya yi bia ye Ghana ha de asema make wo hu de me ba kire wo de anya hwe ma me pa bibi kakra bi ma na wo de yi woni na wo de me nsi me fitness station mesrew wate
mame mo na mo ma aban nipa enye wo mo dwuma no sika sam no amode enchai si nipa ma mo ye niema enye ji kakra fi ba enya mo amementi sa so that we ya ukan ye kura no betimi ama bruce fuache
na so ma che me say
na so me de fuache ni nyina ne say let's cut everything short pussy filling station ha enye yi me da wase sika no me hia baba
o ya catch jira mi aka say ewurade nyame na che sa assembly ho no ma che me kale kuma se wo ma che me sika di me ba wo engineer ho ma ba ba jimi sika se ne sa hunti ma ba ba to asase na ma ba wa ba je permit wo se mitimi ebesi pato ayi sha ni si asase no so na dia ka me ba office wo kura no ka fo yemra na ka fo ani ebe hwa asase no so se mi si petrol sha na ebe yie ana se enye yie wa ntimi amehwe wa tena on ma jimi sika die di me ba ho engineer me ba assembly ho me ba jimi sika me kala kuma me ba jimi sika adai ana ibo dabi me de no ba court me kala kuma se me de wo engineer me de wo court
abrepa se office pa mi do is wo fro kan ase ne meeting mi ka bana me titi ko
ano kremini mapon ka me coffee and I was coming abruptly like this. So what brings you here?
Thank you very much. But for the sake of public education, I want us to gather it.
Now, when I went in the first place, and what's then I do back?
Yes.
What is that? LPG Safety Inspector.
Yes, please.
Okay. That's all. Safety Inspector.
Yes, please.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Yo, and I said also by seeing the local dialect. At the end, I don't know.
So, Benigasi, engineer, we had a man to see a book. Said then you know, Nimna saying Ghana, we na gas. A name from a Janice animal, AD and Ghana. Life work cream is uncountable. The Ama Ghana by the near breakfast city. Otuni Pegumwa, yes, na the gas station, the police station in Sia. Let's say if you are a year for the same man advice. Now to tune your may, a man advice not to tune your may. The we be tia and ask some antum for the Shukuma. Yeah, what we best use. Antum of be tia and she said, Brebi, Peso Bay filling station. I will tell you, say friend Kalakumasi.
Yes, I know it.
That's right. So be a filling station. Na baby obe filling station ni die. Enye kura. Die seni bitu an monya pa ko hwe. Asase. Jampa yidwi mu aso man saka. Ebra Kalakumasi. Bisa so say no correct so ato asase bisa. Odi ba be ye. Sa project je ne ko asase so.
Yeah, na me approve ho man.
Very good.
Yeah.
And when it's my bed. The course has some snake or yes, the land baby. Put me in your filling station. That be a mamma bowing and say, Bisa no, honestly, our permit.
Yeah, I gave her the permit. I personally gave her the permit. Say, I know what you man I'm here. I'm a very busy person. It's in a Juma Gumesoso. So honestly, man, Timian go for many uncle.
One cook grand ho. Uncle civil land now. Money technical advice. You say with me establish a filling station or not, but you start in your office and issue the permit.
Oh, to be very honest, my family uncle I just issued out the permit. Timia and my approval was it on Vancouver filling station.
Engineer, what do street more is all my technical advice. My me teaching you may be come. None if I'm a bow, was with the office, my busy. Say a dear now, how the baby. From one filling station to the other, space you don't want to say 400 meters. So I mean, I'm a Monco grounds. My permit, bassa, man, filling station, see bassa, baby, is you not taking me now. You see, dying, now you want to be my money. Make up. na be sa timi nkebu se yo ye ni e kenyi
Mr. Boati Danka, hold on. I think that I've come to realize my uncle grounds uncle. It's a mistake on my part. But I will suggest to say what can I'll make sure next time I make a mistake. Yema as a minister. Right.
that's
Now before you go, I mean bottles you want to be the more handshake.
what true 70 and I'm here soon near Juma because we had the enya inspector bar the man a bottle. We know what true.
So are you rejecting my offer?
You know, say, I don't know sense about what crowd can. It you know how bro. See just the move back where I can't be able to be epilepsy. It's my a chair, right? A bounce. Because electricity we had you more. It's electricity a tortilla. Now, a cream wire, I should form. It's in now, no make gas and doing it. It means how it is. Every baby, a match with your dumb of lab, bro. It's in my woman across the hill to me. So the S woman is pumping moja. Na mo de no eso te. So e se wa harawa kasasa no e se no e ma etimi exchange gases no e ma no mo de no e nyina so abi so etimi de obre bo mo ha no so ba ya le ba kwa me kan obi e hepatitis B. So net se so obi nya hepatitis B a na se ne bre bo o ha ya de aba bre bo no ni na no se wa use gas ni ya na mo ko bo etimi sa wa ha no e ba wo so hazards resulting from gas explosion. So why you winning in a gas leak? What is a gas leak here? Let's say a day a share no eba. It will be now, but she have 7 million bit away. Abro. So once I was gas in here, a Diana is something. Number one, there's a way I say, I did beer a bit me and catch it fire. Yeah, there's so making sure say, when you never if matches what I'm in a home. Incense, incense, and ho. Bibi biala betimi ama eja ababia ifo. And I wish baby see no. Say we be from bia. Na inframa the from as a gas na e pompo bia kase was a enclosed area na. How na the pam. As you drink na say the man no say mo ye aduane no a ye nyam titi say gas no so no. So the cylinder ni si wa. Fancy baby a shake. I saw the senior assassin, a yet a see was here. Because more than a shaking a gas, was woman. Now at the force. But I saw me, Jano, Emma, meeting up with Hardy. About the and you are very no one pen of a person with me. So, I come of us over to me, Jano. As I be an important say a war fire extinguishers in it. Away, check. Fire extinguishers, no, they be a carbon dioxide, and you do jack. And a woman, and if you chemical powder and a water spray, no call or more gas, no filling station, no filling gas, or making out. I'm a moment to be this if you get back once I will spray, they could be done over the bedroom. It's not so far. Musemati, no Mosumonco, now Monfa Checheno, and Coma, Munia, for being I am on the office, no, Muchama, baby, filling station. When you're quite, one more filling station, when you're quite, or come over, especially drivers, no, one of the other pine train, you 10 years the other day. So, the filling station, Casa, near tea, Tessie rank, on your board dance. Your bar station, big one crania, the different part filling station, not FM station. The idea is it is so far there, honey, a day, Church. If you see more information, they name of my free the others of LPG. That's why. Ghana for some more. The Castellania, young Pum Swan kitten, na air cum ye. A jash, and nam gas is to nip. sɛ mo te engineer ye na sɛdeɛ sɛ ɔno ɛna ɔma permit na ɔma technical advice as to say biawa wetimi a filling station and as a wetimi a filling station what in office na ɔgyegye envelope na ɔma permit wa bra ɔmfa na nikura ɛnkɔhwɛ asase na yɛka ho asɛm filling station nka from one filling station to the other no ɛsɛ yɛ 400 meters ɛso nɛ filling station no sisan so te sɛ deɛ ɔkɔ mayanka na ɔma hyehyɛ ɔmo table na ɔmo tɔn ɔma deɛ filling station nka efia ɛbɛn wo paa no ɛkwan ɛda wo ne fie ne ntɛm no kɛsɛ yɛ 50 meters ɛso nɛ kɔhwɛ very close interval so ɛna chef kuro ne fifiri ne fie nyina atwa ho hyia ɛna de wɔ ha ɔbrɛ wo use gas ɛwɔ fie dia no aduan ɔbaa wo de asi so ɛna wɔgya hɔkɔ na nsuo no hura na ebu agu so na afei agyigya wom wo de kan bie gya no asa no apa matches no asom wa na ɔhyew enti education na yɛde aba momie mo Ghana government momie mo MP na yɛn nyina yɛnya ade ɛtene na yɛ mom me no mienu yɛnkwa ho ban what be filling station what the FM station ɛwɔ filling station mo what be filling station wo sɛ shop na nipa gum ne yɛdi atrantwie what be filling station wa makwa ne yɛbie lolly park taxi rank ɛne ade na yɛ filling station na nipa de ayɛ kwan ne yɛkɔ ne yɛba taxi drivers ɔno mo de twa U10 masa mumienya ade etre no yesra mo soso ye modwuma no monto na mo na mo fa education ma nipa obi obabu mra no so bia no onsere Ghana mra mo meyen fa mra no ento de da na yenya de etre na me no mienu enkwan na ayi ho Nyankopon de mai se yenya mfie aduoson ansa na yewu no yesa timi aka na me nhira mu nyina